Hi traders, it's Charles here from TradeView and welcome to episode 252 of Trading Talk. For this week's episode, I'm going to show you how I determine trends using a candle counting technique that records the highest amount of candles following the rules of higher lows and lower highs. This is a great technique you can use in your own trading. We've had a lot of great feedback on last week's episode where we showed you how to determine your trading strategy so that you can move forward and build it. If you are entering your trades based on what you see on the charts, then your strategy can be automated. So whether you have been working with us for some time or you're new to the markets, give us a call or email us via the support@tradeview.com.au and let us help you take your trading to the next level. I hope you enjoy episode 252 of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.